you ready?
Doctor. Doctor. Doctor is treating a patient. Teacher. Teacher. The teacher is explaining the lesson. Engineer. Engineer. The engineer is designing a new bridge. Lawyer. Lawyer. The lawyer is defending his client in court. Nurse. Nurse. The nurse is taking care of the patients. Police. Police. The police officer is directing traffic. Chef. Chef. The chef is preparing a delicious meal. Firefighter. Firefighter. The firefighter is putting out a fire. Farmer. Farmer. The farmer is working in the field. Scientist. Scientist. The scientist is conducting an experiment. Doctor. Teacher. Engineer. Lawyer. Nurse. Police. Chef. Firefighter. Farmer. Scientist. Congratulations. See you later.